Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Yes, Snapchat has a dark mode, but it's only available to some users. As of this writing, Snapchat dark mode is only available to iPhone users in Australia and some parts of the US. If dark mode is available on your Snapchat account, you can enable it in your Snapchat profile settings.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, Snapchat has a dark mode, but it's available only to some users. Here's how to check if you have it. Snapchat does have a dark mode setting, but it isn't available to all users. If dark mode is available on your Snapchat account, you can enable it in your profile settings.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.